Hello, I'm David Baran, RF Product Manager at Samtec. I'm at the Samtec booth at IMS 2024, where we are showcasing our newest RF and microwave products. We're introducing Nitrowave, our new phase and amplitude stable coaxial cable. You can easily recognize Nitrowave cable because of its distinctive Samtec orange jacket. Nitrowave cable offers improved stability with flexure over time, as you can see in this live product demonstration. Like most of our demos, you see a Samtec connector system in an environment that mimics a real-life application. In this case, we're measuring insertion loss and VSWR through a 3-meter Nitrowave cable from DC to 43.5 gigahertz with a Keysight VNA. But here's what's different. We are actively flexing the Samtec Nitrowave cable and showing the results in real time. Let's take a look at what's going on. The cable runs through the Samtec arcade game, where it's subject to dynamic flexing. And you heard right. It is an arcade game, complete with a jumping tiger. In other words, it's not just a repetitive back and forth test that you see in a lab. The flexing is actually controlled by whoever is playing the game, which is closer to a real life application. And we're hard on it. In fact, we had a contest to see if anybody could negatively impact the cable's performance, and it didn't happen. In summary, there's active flexing, a 3-meter long Nitrowave cable assembly at 43.5 gigahertz, Samtec 292 RF connectors, and we're seeing excellent results. Over a 3-meter cable length, the insertion loss is 8 dB, and the VSWR is 1.2. And looking at the insertion loss change graph, we see minimal variation in the insertion loss over the course of the 3-day exhibition. Samtec Nitrowave cable is designed to meet the increased demands of aerospace, defense, datacom, computer, semiconductor, and instrumentation markets. To learn more, go to samtec.com/nitrowave. If you have any questions, please get in touch with the RF Group at rfgroup@samtec.com. I'm David Baran. Thanks for watching.